Hello, I'm Martin from ZSK Germany. I work at ZSK as a service engineer. In this video we would like to show you how to install a twin beads device to a machine. In the first step we need to insert the special pressure foot for the twin bead device. Therefore we need to open the cover with these 6 screws. Now we remove the needle and the needle holder. Take care that you do not lose the washer and the rubber ring on top of the needle holder. Rubber ring and the washer. Then we need to lose this screw here. Now we can pull the needle bar up until we can take the pressure foot away. Now we can insert the special pressure foot and push back the needle bar. Next we bring back the needle holder and the rubber ring and the washer. First we bring the rubber ring on top of the needle bar, then the washer, then we take the needle holder and bring it back. Take care that the screw will fit in the hole. And do not tighten the screw completely, just to hold in position. Next we need a straight object. In my case I take a needle bar. I place this one on top of the other needle bars and get another person that holds it in position. I push up the needle bar against it, push down this screw against the spring and tight it. To check if the needle bar is in the right position, we move the object on top, left and right, and if it's going smoothly over it, it's in position. That sounds great, so we can keep it like it is. Now we insert the needle. It's a specific needle with a super short shaft. It's the one to the left. You can see the part number in the subtitles. Now we can close up the cover. Next we attach the adapter to the needle block. We need to align it with a stop bracket. If it's aligned correctly and tightened properly, we need to tighten the 2 headless screws inside the block. Now we attach the bead device to the adapter. As you can see here, it has too much play left and right. This can be taken away by this screw. Do not tighten the screw too much, because it needs to be removable. If the play is okay and the device is still removable, you can tighten the nut. If the setup of the adapter went properly, we can screw on the bead device. In order to connect the cable, we need to switch off the machine and remove the back cover of the thread tension base. Then we plug in the cable, and then we plug in the cable at the bead device. and close the back cover of the thread tension. To fixate the cable, we need to remove the screw from the cover. In order to activate the twin bead device, we have to go to L3 service, shift U0, pick ZSK Engineer with L5, L2 with dip switches, go down to S33 to S36, change settings on L7. We pick motor driven sequin device on needle number N, since our device is installed on the left hand side of the needle block and N stands for the last needle. If your device is installed on the right hand side, you need to pick motor driven sequin device on needle number 1. Then we confirm with change settings and say save settings. We need to switch off the machine, and after 30 seconds we can switch it on. After the machine has booted up, we go to L2 tool setups, and we activate the sequin device. Then we confirm with L8. Then we are going to check on sequin device L3. Both of these settings needs to be 70 increments. Then we can confirm, and the installation of the twin bead device is done. We hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.